Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're dealing with the infamous blinking red and green lights on your original Xbox 360 in 2025, don't panic. We're going to fix this together. This issue, often called the red ring of death variant, usually signals problems like overheating, hardware faults, or loose connections. It's a common headache for retro gaming fans, but with a few simple steps, you can get your console up and running again. First things first, let's start with the basics. Unplug your Xbox 360 from the power source and all cables. Give it a minute or two to cool down. This might just be an overheating issue. While it's off, gently wipe down the vents and fans with a soft, dry cloth to remove any dust buildup. Dust is a sneaky enemy of old electronics, and clearing it out can work wonders. Next, check your connections. Make sure the power cord is securely plugged into both the console and the outlet. Sometimes, a loose AV cable or HDMI adapter can trigger these lights. If you're using an older power supply, try swapping it with a known good one if you have access to it. Once everything's reconnected, plug it back in and power it on. If the lights persist, it's time for a soft reset. To do a soft reset, hold down the power button for about 10 seconds until the console shuts off completely, then turn it back on. If that doesn't help, you might need to delve into hardware territory. Open up the console carefully. Remember, if you're not comfortable with this, take it to a professional. Look for any loose wires inside, especially around the power supply or motherboard. In 2025, you can even use modern tools like thermal paste for better heat management if you're rebuilding. If none of these steps work, it could be a more serious issue like a faulty GPU or power brick, and you might need to consider repairs or replacement parts from online communities. Retro gaming is alive and well, so there are plenty of resources out there. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech fixes. Let's keep those classic games spinning. See you next time.